friends, welcome back, or welcome if you're new here. I'm Stacey, and I've been away from this channel for a hot minute, but for good reason. We moved, yes, and I'll have an update video coming out for you soon to explain everything. But until then, I wanted to share some scenes of our last trip for the summer. We drove our camper trailer across 7 states, a little over 1,500 miles over the course of 3 days. It was supposed to take 23 hours of driving, but as you'll see, we ran into quite a bit of traffic here and there and a few accidents, which had us sitting for quite a while on the highways. But we made it safely, made it home safely. It was a beautiful trip, so I wanted to share a bit of it with you. I spared you the boring flatlands of eastern Colorado and pretty much all of Kansas, so the video wouldn't be too long. Anyway, I pray all of you are doing well and that I'll see you back here next time. I'll give you a little commentary here and there, but I'm sending you big love and blessings, and I hope you are staying safe but fearless. Enjoy the video. Our camp host location was absolutely beautiful and very peaceful. We couldn't have asked for a better place to stay.
You need to get away. It's time we make a change. Oh, you know you'll always have me. Baby, I will always stay with you. So put your trust in me. We'll work it out, you'll see. If we get in a car and drive someplace far, yeah, we could go for a ride. The two of us, we don't have to stop. Baby, let's go for a ride. You and I, let us run away. We can go where we want. I'll have your back if you'll have mine. You and I, day as any to start the rebuilding of life. The roads that lay open are many when the old one's gone under the knife. And I can feel the sun on my skin, beginning to thaw from within. Today and not tomorrow, there's no time to borrow. Today is a good day to live. This morning has so clear a light as any to see the horizon in the far. Excuses were 2 for a penny, but they've all gone out the window of this car. And when I feel the wind on my face, all that ever was is a wreck. Today and not tomorrow, there's no time to borrow. Today, well, something's gotta give. Today is a good day. Today and not tomorrow, there's no time to borrow. A good day to tomorrow, there's no time to borrow. Today, well, something's gotta give. Today is a good day. Today